G'day, g'day. So this one here is Lomamdra, spiky mat rush. And again, there's a lot of varieties. Some have these sort of brown seeds like this one, right? Some of them have green, some of them dry to yellow, some of them dry to white. Some of them are long leaves like Lomamdra longifolia, and some of them are shorter. In fact, we got some which is called the fishbone Lomamdra, which is a tiny little plant. Now all of them have edible seeds and edible flower heads and edible leaf bases and edible flowering stalks, and the young stalks are also edible. Now when it comes to the seeds, they do require some processing. So the best thing to do is treat it like corn and hominy. What the Native Americans used to do is they would boil the corn overnight in ash water. So you get a bit of ash from the fire, ideally some eucalyptus ash if you're in Australia, or wherever you're growing, just get some hardwood ash. Put that in your water, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon for about 2 litres, and you boil that overnight. Now what that does is it activates the seeds, and it also removes any toxicity that may be in these seeds. My friend Jake Casser says that occasionally these plants can actually get a little bit of a toxicity seasonally, or in some years. So it's sort of like the bunya nuts. Every 3 years they'll have a huge harvest. However, some years, like these guys, they might have a toxic year. So the ash helps to get rid of that toxicity. It also softens the seed, making it easier to eat, easier to grind, and it also activates the seed, so it gets them to grow and germinate. So that live growing energy is really fantastic stuff. So there's a little bit about that. Obviously you can weave it, hence the other name, mat rush. It's a fantastic plant, absolutely super strong, one of the strongest fibres you're going to find in this part of Australia, and that's temperate zones of Australia. Anyway, so there you go, a little bit about Lomamdra, spiky mat rush, and how to process that. Take care of yourselves.